is Ehomaki, but not traditional one. We eat this sushi roll once a year for good luck. Today I'm giving it a modern twist, crispy ebi-fry inside. Let's get started. First, we are going to cook white rice. Rinse the rice gently until the water runs clear. This removes the excess starch and helps the rice cook evenly. Drain the rice well and transfer to a pot. I'm using an earthenware pot, but heavy bottom pot works just as well. Add the water and cook over medium heat. Just before it comes to a boil, stir gently from the bottom to prevent the rice from sticking. Once it starts to boil, cover with the lid to a lowest possible heat and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and fluff the rice and cover with the lid and let the rice steam for another 10 minutes. While the rice is steaming, let's prepare the sushi vinegar. Combine sugar, salt, and rice vinegar in a pot. Heat over medium heat and stirring gently. Cook just until the sugar and salt dissolve and the liquid becomes clear. Do not let it boil. We want to preserve the delicate aroma of the vinegar. Add a small piece of kombu kelp for extra umami. Transfer the freshly cooked rice to a wide bowl. Drizzle the sushi vinegar evenly over the rice. Using a cutting motion and gently mix the rice to distribute the sushi vinegar without smashing the grains. Set aside until the filling is ready. Now let's prepare the fillings. For the egg salad, finely chop the hard-boiled egg, or I like to use the egg cutter in a crisscross pattern. Add mayonnaise and mix to combine. Next, shred the lettuce. For the ebi-fry, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can also substitute with fried fish, tonkatsu, or any filling you like. Now everything is ready, let's roll. Place a half a seed of nori on sushi mat shiny side down. Moisten your hand with vinegar water and take a handful of sushi rice and press it on the nori seed, leaving the 1 inch of the space on top. And spread the rice evenly towards you without pressing it down too hard. The rice should stay light and fluffy. Place the shredded nori in the center and egg salad and ebi-fry and crab sticks. To roll it up, pinch the sushi mat with your thumb and index fingers, hold the filling gently with your other fingers, and roll forward while tucking the ingredients inside, and press lightly to shape. And your ehomaki with ebi-fry is ready to serve. A traditional Japanese roll with a crispy modern twist. I love how mayonnaise taste meets Japanese taste. Creamy and comforting and deeply satisfying with a uniquely Japanese way. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. and join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!